Want to automate repetitive tasks without writing complex code? Microsoft Power Automate lets you create desktop and cloud workflows that can save time, reduce manual work, and improve productivity. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. First, open Microsoft Power Automate from your Start menu. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account to access your flows, templates, and cloud services. Take a moment to explore the interface. You'll find options for creating new flows, browsing templates, managing existing automations, and connecting to supported apps and services. Next, click Create and choose the type of flow you want to build. Yeah, you can create desktop flows to automate actions on your computer or cloud flows that connect online services and automate tasks between them. Add the actions you want your automation to perform. I mean, you can launch applications, copy files, send emails, move data, interact with websites, or perform many other tasks by arranging actions in the workflow editor. Run your flow to make sure everything works as expected. Watch each step carefully, and if something doesn't work correctly, edit the flow and test it again until the automation performs the way you want. Finally, save your completed flow and give it a descriptive name. You can return to my flows at any time to edit, duplicate, organize, or delete your automations as your workflow changes. And that's how to use Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. Once you learn the basics of creating, testing, and managing flows, you'll be able to automate repetitive tasks and improve your productivity across Windows and supported online services. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.